I'm Tiffany. Today I'm gonna show you portable trash basket, and you can use as a trash basket, like putting the plastic bag in it. But you can use it as like a mini basket. If you put a Velcro, so you can attach the wall or in a car, anywhere you want it. And it's fun. Let's start it. But before we start it, I'm gonna show you what we need. First, scissors, as always, glue, school glue could be good, all right? So then, clothespin, 4-5 of them we need. If you don't have clothespin, you can use binder clips and pencil, masking tape, and the paper weights or candle. As far as it's flat, the bottom, you can use it as a, so paper weights as well. And also you can use a dictionary because it's flat, so as paper weights as well. Let's start it. Okay. Take the red rubber band set and just straighten it out. Just make it straighter. Short strips and center. So just hold it lightly and just center with the pen, and do the same on the short strip as well. Just hold it and take this. Put the strip of masking tape a little right from the center so you can see the center. It's just to help keep the bands in place so they don't spread. Line the long strip and the short strip alternately. Then take the rest of the two short strips and put glue on one side like this. Okay, all the way. Just put the strips to the end, even it out. So just put enough glue. Put paper weights on it and wait until glue stick to the base firmly. And then turn it over. Take the green rubber band set, which has 2 short strips and 5 long strips. Okay, so then take the 2 strips and hold it just like we did before, just to mark the center of the strip. Just hold lightly. Put glue on the left edge of the base and take one of the long strip and align on the strip with the third horizontal band on the base. Press it onto the glue. Okay. After that, if once it's dried up, so then just turn it over again. Take 2 long strips and start weaving by applying the bands vertically, and place the strip over the first strip and under the second strip and over the third strip, under the fourth strip, over the fifth strips, under the sixth strips, and over the 7 strips alternately. Over. This one is alternative, so it's like the first one is over, so second one should be under.
So that means under, over, under, over, under, over. Okay. You have to hold it because it's getting a little difficult because it's getting tighter. The space getting tighter, but you know, as far as you see, over and over, under, alternatively, it's good. Like even, it's like, you know, sometimes make it shorter and longer, so just make it even on the top. And also, as you can see the space, this is longer and shorter, so make it even too, the space. Okay, like this. You can put glue on the strips or just put glue, but just make sure it's straight up. Okay. Like using paper weights. Alright, so then once it's done, the base is done. Bend all the strips 90 degrees upward. Now you can see the shape of the basket. Take the last rubber band set. Place one strip in your hand. Locate the bent strip, that is the second from the left. Position the strip under the bent strip and secure it with the clothespin or binder clip. Weave it over the third bent strip, under the fourth bent strips, and over and under alternately until you have gone all the way around the basket. Once you reach your starting point, remove the clothespin, put glue on the back edge of the end of the strip and press it against the front edge of the strip starting location. Attach a clothespin until the glue has dried. Alright, so then until we are waiting, so we can start from the back side. Now we will do the second row. Place one strip in your hand. Locate the bent strip, that is the third from the left. Position the strips under the bent strip and secure it with the clothespin or binder clip. Weave it over and under until you have gone all the way around the basket, just like we did for the first row. To weave the third row, follow the same instruction as the first row. Once you finish the seventh row, look carefully at the basket. Every other vertical strip is on the outer surface of the basket, while the other strips are on the inner surface of the basket. For all the strips on the outer surface, bend the excess amount of strip backward towards the inside of the basket. And here's a trick. Take the bent strip, tuck it into 1, 2, 3. Can you see that? 1, 2, 3. Third strip. third. Even so, then take the last long strips between the last row, which is 7th row, and the vertical strips. Go like that. Oh, maybe better this way. You see, just squish them in and just bend it. So we can just hold it for now. So it's like just curve. For all the strips on the inner surface, bend the excess amount of the strips forward towards the outside of the basket. And also cut the excess amount of the strip. Use the stripes one goes around. Okay, so then you need to cut the edge, make a little angle, and then take the 6 is front, and the last one should be the back. So start from there. The edge is so important. Doesn't go too short. Okay, so then next one is over. So then under. Put glue at the end and tuck it into the beginning of the strip. Put glue on the back of the patch. And also you can put the back Velcro. So then you can attach anywhere you want it. In a car, on the wall. So then at the end you can use it using a plastic bag. Voila! Finish! You can buy craft bands that we used. Just scan the above QR code. Thank you.